headlines for the day.
Whoa, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is now slowly weaving its way into people's hearts. The latest in the movie is the Jab Tum Chaho song from the upcoming Diwali flick from Suraj Barjatya. The song has shades of the early 80s and instills in the listener a nostalgic feel. Salman and Sonam have a strong chemistry and the bonding between them is really worth a watch. Sung by Palak Munchal, Darshan Raval and Mohammad Irfan, the lyrics are very reminiscent of typical 80s style Bollywood music. Irshad Kamil has certainly done a good job of making the Salman Bonanza click in the minds of the viewers and the listeners. With perfect music from Himesh Reshammiya, the song would maybe start a new trend in Bollywood music. Very lilting and musical, one gets the feel of fields, swaying grass and a royal elan in the music. Surely a perfect one for a acha image of Salman. Well, now is when Bigg Boss 9 is shaping up to its name. Yes, the breakups and the closeness have begun and we've already seen some blooming pairs and some breakoffs doomed to happen. Recently, the jodi of Rochelle and Prince in the house has gathered a lot of attention. Salman had in fact shown some pics to the audience wherein Prince was seen hugging almost every gal in the house. So his patch-up hug and kiss with Rochelle obviously was an eye candy for all, even as Keith looked on. Much to the VJ's discomfort, the Splitsvilla winner Prince is full on with Keith's gal Rochelle. So why is Rochelle not doing anything about it? Or is it that they're just friends? Whoa, has it come to this now that Aamir the Rangila Khan has to resort to SRK's methods to hit at someone? Well, we are only talking about the new Snapdeal ad which features Aamir mouthing the words Palat, 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 the very famous DDLJ dialogue. The ad deals about how a mannequin does not turn back at Aamir in spite of saying Shah Rukh's dialogue because the Snapdeal offers are on. A good take on the SRK bit, but aren't we so well aware of the tiffs that the two Khans have had anyway earlier? With Aamir naming his dog Shah Rukh to so many other things, we feel that only King Khan can mouth the dialogues that have made him famous. And Aamir would only be able to do a mere imitation of the Ravan actor as far as the dialogues are concerned. Just kidding, it is an ad after all, guys. Whoa, isn't it a wonderful equation to happen? Sanju Baba and our own Dabang Bhai might share the screen space in the upcoming muscle flexing flick from Salman. Sultan is the next in the offing from Bhai after his Diwali release Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, and our Khufia Jasoos has come up with this fantastic news that it could have Sanjay Dutt in it. The Vastav dude would be out of jail sometime in February 2016 when Sultan would be halfway in progress. Well, after the Bigg Boss stint when we saw the two hunks together on national television, this is the time when we get to see them again, and aren't we oh so excited about it? With Sanju serving his tenure, he's ready for his next innings in Bollywood, and if it is with Sultan, then it sure is a bang-on entry, hai na? Well, we are really getting into the land of Prem through his various songs, pictures, videos, fun times on the sets of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Now we have the next in the line of things when we see Salman dance with his co-star Sonam on the sets of the couple show. Yes, the chemistry between the two was unmistakable, and now we look forward to seeing them on the film which is a Diwali release. The equation between Sonam and Salman has often been linked to the chemistry he shared with the diva Ash in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. However, this Diwali flick has a lovely bonding shown between them, and comedy nights with couple only had them just having fun. They shared a lot of laughter, fun and jokes, and also shook a leg, and the Janta would surely love to see them in this roop, what say? Don't we know how much Shah Rukh loves his fans? In fact, a recent interview had endorsed that he takes out time for his fans and how he would love to learn from them. With his birthday approaching, Shah Rukh has decided to take his upcoming birthday to a newer and closer level by having his team arrange a decor with his fans in a nearby hotel. Whoops, isn't that also exciting? And in typical SRK way, he has organized it with wristbands and all so that there is no hangama at the venue. Almost living up to Salman's Selfie Lele song, Shah Rukh could be taking photos with his fans, maybe selfies, thus giving his upcoming fan a real look. Yes, he sure wants to show that it is for his fans that he has made the film. And what better way than to celebrate it with fans, hai na? Way to go, Shah Rukh bhai. The first look of the poster of the next song, Jab Tum Chaho, from the upcoming Suraj Barjatia flick, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, is out. And boy, ain't it so charming as well as nostalgic? While the other posters from the Salman Diwali Bonanza were very reminiscent of the Aishwarya Salman jodi in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, and we could not but enjoy the feeling. However, Jab Tum Chaho comes with a fresh look, and even if one has the uncanny comparison to the lovey-dovey bonding between Bhai and Ash, one still gives full credit to Sonam's charms in the poster. The overall feel is of romance, love and saga that almost tells a full story. Even as one watches the poster, one is taken through a storyline that is untold but understood. This is the beauty of the poster, so we really give credit to the song as such, hai na?